What's up everybody, welcome back to Bryan's channel. That's me. So today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Makeup by Ariana Grande. Okay, so let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one you need to walk, okay? Let's clarify. Walk, so overhead. 1, 2, touch your body. 3, 4, step, open. 5, 6, don't look on the right, look to your left. 6, look right on 7, close on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one, change weight to your right, look 7 and 8. Okay, next from here, head 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your legs is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross front 5, down on 6, shoulder like pointing to the front. 7, 8, 1, 2, open on 3, 4. Got it? Okay? So 5, 6 from here. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's like 3, 4. Okay? What is going 3, 4. Let's try again. Let's combine first from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, sexy touch. 5, 6, look on 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on. So 3, 4. This is 5, 6, then 7, 8. This one is not head. You're gonna use your butt. 7, 8. Show your butt. 7, 8. Eat chicken. Okay? So 3, 4 down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try from the top. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? When you go 1, you can nod if you want. Okay? Or just stay. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next question. No. So 7, 8, step right. 1, 2, and 3. Remember, and 3, look on 4. As simple as that. So 7 and 1, 2, and 3, look on 4. This one is fast. Chest. 5, 6, close on 7, lift on 8, drop on 1. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, chest, head, close, lift, and down. Then circle. We lost the count. Let's combine from the top first. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So stop on 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look on 8, 1, oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, chest. 5, 6, close. 8, drop. 1, 3, 4. Okay, let's go on now. So from here, 7, 8. Remember, stop. This is 7, 8, 1. Stay on 2. Then hit 3, 4. Jump on 5 and 6, 7, 8. Not totally close because you're gonna move the tap. So let's try first from walk 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Look 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry. Go 7, 8. Let's continue. Drop on 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4. Then shoulder on 5 and drop on 6. 5 and 6. Same time. 7, 8. I mean the second time. 5 and 6. Drop 7, 8. So 5 and 6, 7, 8. So you're preparing it, 7, 8. Let's try again. There's the ghost. Let's try from here. So 5, 6, 7. This one, make sure you're gonna go hips. See, lower. Show your Pepe. Pepe is butt. 6, 7, and hold. Go 1, 2, and 3. Look back. Chest. Collar. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. You. 1, 2, stop. 4, 5, hip. 7, and here we go. 2, 3, chest. 5, head, collar, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, 7, 8. Yes, this one, 7, 8. You can 7, 8. Okay? Alright, next. So for last 8 for this for the first part. So 7, 7, 8. Go back. 1, 6, 3, 4. Use the hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Open. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and walk. Get it? Let's try one more time. So 7 here, 4, tap, 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 7, 8, back, 1, 2, cross, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, not 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 2, and post. Yes. Let's try from the top. Here we go. Actually, they can remove the mask now. For the instructors, no, I don't know why. So let's try. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Wake up. 4, 5, 6. You and touch. Open. Ha, hit. 7. Walk. Here we go. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Hit. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. For the last time, this time slowly, huh? Always forget. Slowly. So 5, 6, 7, column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, chest, 5, 6, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, open, shoulder down, reach, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, not 5, or 6, or 7, 8, and a pull. Yes, good job. Okay, so last 2 weights. Okay, last 2 weights. So you end up on 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if it's the right count, but anyway, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that 5, 6. You're gonna go down on 7. Actually, just 7, 8. So 7, 8. Yes, 7, 8. Then you flip your head. 7, 8. Copy. Then you're gonna go 1 and 2. 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? Then 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more 8. 2 more counts. 7, 8. Okay? Until here first. So 1 and 2, 3, and drop on 4. My count suddenly changed. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, 7, 8. 2 more counts. I think I can take more. Let's see. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You just set, bend. Okay? 7, then 8. Push. You're gonna go set, bend, push back. 8. Or touch your body. 7, 8. Okay? So set, bend, touch your body. So girls, don't be shy to touch your body. It's your own. Okay, let's try from 8. Go 1, 2, 3, faster. 5 and 6. Go 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch your body. Then add it. Let's start from the top. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hips. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Chest. Slowly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, 7, and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8. Alright, the last 2 8s. So right after we go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ad lib 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything. For the last 8, down 1, 2, 3, up on 4. Okay? Then drag your right, 5, 6, overhead, 7, pose. Then up. That's it. Congratulations! We finish it. So 7, 7, 8, ad-lib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. 6, 7, up. Ooh. Yeah, from the beginning. Woo! Here we go. 1, super slow. Hard to breathe. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 2, 3. Nod. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, and down. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ad-lib. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop. 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Good job! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video, okay? We'll see you next time. Hopefully that time we don't have to wear masks, okay? It's getting better now in Hong Kong, so let's pray.